Bad news for royal fans. Royal family's health in hot potato as 6 members tested positive for COVID. For around 2 years, COVID-19 has been prevalent in countries across the world. Some British royals and other royals from European royal houses have been diagnosed with coronavirus during the pandemic. And most recently, Princess Beatrix of the Netherlands was confirmed to have tested positive for coronavirus in December 2021. Princess Beatrix of the Netherlands. Former Queen of the Netherlands, Princess Beatrix, tested positive for COVID-19 in December 2021. Royal Information Service RVD said in a statement on Saturday, December 4, that Princess Beatrix got tested after coming down with mild cold symptoms. The statement added, "The princess is at home in isolation and adheres to the rules of life for people who have tested positive." Beatrix was the Queen of the Netherlands until 2013, when she abdicated the throne in favor of her son, Willem-Alexander. Princess Ingrid Alexandra of Norway. Princess Ingrid Alexandra of Norway tested positive for COVID-19 in August 2021. In a statement, Norway's royal court said Ingrid was isolating at the Skogum estate located near Oslo. Princess Ingrid Alexandra is the daughter of Crown Prince Haakon and Crown Princess Mette-Marit. Prince Christian of Denmark. Prince Christian, son of Crown Prince Frederik and Crown Princess Mary, tested positive for COVID-19 in December 2020. A statement on the Danish royal family's website read, "The Crown Prince and Crown Princess were informed yesterday, Sunday the 6th of December 2020, about a local outbreak of COVID-19 at Krønegårdsskolen in Hellerup. Prince Christian has subsequently tested positive for COVID-19. His Royal Highness stays in isolation in Frederiksberg's Palace at Amalienborg. Prince Carl Philip and Princess Sofia of Sweden. Prince Carl Philip and Princess Sofia of Sweden tested positive for COVID-19 in November 2020. The Swedish royal court said at the time both royals were feeling well under the circumstances. Prince Carl Philip is fourth in line to Sweden's throne. Prince Charles. In March 2020, Clarence House announced Prince Charles had tested positive for COVID-19. The Clarence House statement read, "In accordance with government and medical advice, the Prince and the Duchess are now self-isolating at home in Scotland. The tests were carried out by the NHS in Aberdeenshire, where they met the criteria required for testing. It is not possible to ascertain from whom the Prince caught the virus owing to the high number of engagements he carried out in his public role during recent weeks." Prince Albert of Monaco. Prince Albert of Monaco was diagnosed with COVID-19 in March 2020. He told People magazine at the time, "My symptoms are flu-like, but it feels like a pretty mild case. I've a slight fever, not really that bad. A little bit of a cough. I'd a runny nose the first few days, that was the first sign. I've felt a little stuffed up, but that's it. I have to be careful because of my recent medical history fighting off pneumonia a couple of years ago." Scientists raced to study a new coronavirus variant as several cases were spotted in Europe and governments around the world announced travel restrictions targeting the southern African region where it first emerged, prompting criticism that the continent was yet again bearing the brunt of panicked policies from Western countries. Omicron, the new variant first detected in Botswana, sent Europe into high alert after cases were detected in the United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, and Belgium. The Czech Republic, Austria, Israel and the Netherlands were all investigating suspected cases of the variant. Relatively little is known about Omicron. It has mutations that scientists fear could make it more infectious and less susceptible to vaccines, though neither of these effects has yet to be established. Most confirmed cases of the variant are contained to southern African countries, but there are worries Omicron could have spread more widely before scientists there discovered it.